Okay. I don't know. Just gonna try something different. Gonna try, I guess, a 6-pack mixer. Couple decent packs. A couple, I don't know. Core 21's probably the most meh. So let's start with that one. Oh, Core 21. Okay. I don't know how I end up with one spare pack of this, but it might have been a bonus pack that I got from ordering something. So, nope. Volcanic salvo as the rare, which is kind of pretty meh. And I guess we got the card that's is going to be the whole part of this. A bad deal. Move on to Throne. We can get Throne was a decent set. Oh, Mystic Sanctuary at least. Decent decent common. Shieldbreaker, Ember's Shieldbreaker is a decent uncommon. And a Happily Ever After as the rare. And it's pretty bad, really, too. I think did better in the commons. Let's move on to Core 20. A lot of good stuff in Core 20. Even in the uncommons. Not Hero Elemental, though. Mask of Immolation. Not really. Hanged Executioner. That's the rare. Oh, we got foil. Agonizing Siphon. That is pretty rough. Conspiracy Take the Crown. Haven't opened one of these in quite a long time. Bunch of the mythics have gone up. Foils in this are pretty crazy. Also, okay, we got Spike It and Hollow Burial as the rare, and a Psychosis Crawler as the foil, which is a foil rare, but still pretty bad. Okay. Too many. Okay, moving on to Dominaria. This was a pretty good set. It's cut short on the print run. I guess slightly unexpectedly. Jumped the boxes. And got Isolated Chapel, which is not a terrible card. And Euroghost, the empty one. So Chapel's at least reasonable. I don't know, this mess. Okay, then Invention Hunting. I doubt it's in there, but I don't think so. A lot of the other stuff in Kaladesh is still not worth a whole lot, but okay. We got Skyship Stalker. Womp womp. That's pretty rough. So, I guess that's why it makes more sense to buy the singles than to gamble on old packs, especially. So, anyways, thanks for stopping by. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks again for watching, and have a good rest of your day.